Hi, it's Andy here at helpusbook.com again. Now this video is going to be concentrating not on just the reball. I'm not going to show you the actual reball process on this video, just the removal of the chip on a Xbox 360 Jasper motherboard. Here we're going to be removing the GPU. We already have a reballed chip here ready waiting, and we should be just at the removal stage right now at the right temperature. Okay, that's probably us ready to go. Just going to set this one down here. Okay, this obviously needs cleaned up. Show you this get cleaned up, same process for here and for on the chip. If we can just get this mounted up here. Go over this. Okay, the reballing will be done after obviously everything is cleaned up on the chip. So we'll set this chip in just now. Okay. Okay, now we want to apply some flux to the chip. Too much is better than not enough. Okay. Now the excess solder needs took off. Hopefully you guys can see that.
Okay, thank you. See you right.
Okay, so excess solder off here. I'll switch over here. I'll concentrate in the video up on the zoomed in webcam, which probably get a better view. This may let you guys get a pressure of this. Light's probably not doing much justice. Okay. Process. Okay guys, that's probably just about there, making sure all the excess solder is taken up. Not a problem, buddy. Cheers, mate. Okay guys, sorry about that, just quickly dive away that. Right, okay. Now we're going to get some good work on here to take up the excess solder. Leaving us a good preparation area for the new chip to go down. Snip that off now. Gather up. Pull the solder off to one side and do the other two sides. Hopefully try and fit this in as quick as I can for you guys. So it took me a lot longer the first kind of 5-10 times doing this. So anything you speed up a little throughout the time. Okay, give this one more going over, just to make sure we've got all the corners, any excess solder as well. This should be quite a smooth surface when done, shouldn't really have any snags if you're running a cloth over it afterwards. Okay guys, that's us I think. Now we're just ready to give that a little clean up. That's us. And that's us. Back to our webcam, zoomed down on the board which you were watching, back up in the monitor. Now you'll notice we've got a nice clean surface. All the excess solder off. Nice clean pads. Obviously we've cleaned the excess solder off of our chip here as well, but if we do have one already here nicely prepped, which now all we need to do is get the chip lined up properly on the right way. Get the chip on and reflow back onto the board once we have it lined up. Thanks for watching, cheers.